In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter an internet browser here on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do from the PS5 home screen is go up to the top right and go ahead and select on settings. And from here, open up your network settings and then go into the connection status page. Down at the very bottom of connection status, you're going to see a view PlayStation Network status option. Go ahead and select that to open it up and scroll down to the bottom of this page and you're going to see a little tab over here that says PlayStation up at the top. Essentially go into either the About Us tab or the Blog tab right here. This is going to be in one of these two options, so you might have to open up both, but essentially select it and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. And what you're looking for specifically on either the About Us page or the blog page is a YouTube link on here. So on the blog page for me, this is going to be on the right hand side all the way down towards like the first sixth of the screen. But essentially open this up, and once you do open up this YouTube page, you're going to see a sign in option up in the very top right. Once it does load, it might take a second to load depending on your internet connection, but essentially open this up just like so and then select privacy down at the very bottom. And then from here, you're going to see these little 9 app logos appear. Select this and then hit Google search. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this, and this is going to be that fully functioning web browser that you can literally search anything for. For example, I just like to search myself in these videos. Essentially search for whatever you like and it's going to pop up no matter what it is. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.